My name is Dhanush. I am from first year, first BTech from Computer Science Engineering. The subject name is Linear Algebra Calculus. The subject code is 23MAT01 and my roll number is 244G1A0580. G1A0580. Okay, now uh, today my topic is to determine double integration of x square plus y square into dx dy. Overall, the area bounded by the ellipse. The ellipse is x square by a square plus y square y square by b square is equal to 1. Given that double now the given. First, we will write the given in the question. Double integral x square into x square plus y square. Now the given ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. And now we will exchanging to, first we will knowing the x components. Y square by b square, y square by b square is equal to 1 is equal to x square by a square. Now we are knowing y value, b square by a square into x a square minus x square. Now we are common to the square, then y is equal to plus or minus b by a into square root of a square minus x square. Now we will show in the diagram x axis and y axis. It is in the ellipse. X axis will be minus a comma a and y theta will be radius r. This is xy. Here here y is equal to, here the two roots are is came. Y one of the b is y is equal to b by a square root of a square minus x square minus b by a square root of x square square root of a square minus x square. Now the x limits are minus a to a. Now we solve the problem. Integration of x is equal to a minus a is equal into a, and y component y limits is minus b by a square root of a square minus x square to b by a square root of a square minus x square into x square plus y square dx dy. It is in the form of which type? Integration minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 2 integral 0 to integral f of x dx. We will converting into this type of the formula. Then we will write 2 integration of x is equal to minus a to a, and integration of y is equal to 0 to b by a square root of a square minus x square into x square plus y square dx dy. Now again we will write 2. Here we differentiate the following: 2 into integration x is equal to minus a to a, and integration y is equal to 0 to b by a square root of x square a square minus x square x into dx dy. We will integrate first y limits, so we will constant are the x limits. Is 2 into x is equal to minus a to a, y is equal to x square plus y cube by 3 into 0. Limits is 0 and b by a into square root of a square minus x square dx. Again we will substitute limits values into y. Then 2 into integration of x is equal to minus a to a. Then it comes into b by a into square root of x a square minus x square into x square plus y cube will be 1 by 3 is constant and b cube by 3 into square root of a square minus x square into 3 into dx. Okay, now after it is 2, we will take in common 4 into integration of x is equal to 0 to a. Now into b by a into square root of a square minus x square plus b cube by 3a square into square root of a square minus x cube into dx. Let we will consider as x is equal to a sin theta, dx is equal to a cos d theta, theta is equal to theta to pi by 2. Okay, now we will all consider into that formulas. 4 into integration of theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2, b by a square root of a square minus a square sin theta, a square into a square a square sin square theta plus b cube by 3a cube into square root of a square minus a square sin square theta into whole cube into a cos theta d cos theta. Now 4 into integration of theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2, b by a into a cos theta a square sin square theta plus b square into 3a square 3a cube cos cube theta into a cos cube theta. Now a will be cancelled. Again we will 4 integration of theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Now we will a cube theta sin square theta into cos square theta plus ab cube by 3 into cos 4 theta into d theta. Okay, now 4 into integration of theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2 a cube b into sin square theta into cos square theta d theta plus integration of theta is equal to 0 pi by 2 ab cube by 3 cos power 4 theta into d theta into 4 a cube theta. Now we will be constant can be removed outside. 4 into a cube b integration of theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta into cos square theta d theta plus ab cube by 3 integration of theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos 4 theta d theta. It is in the form of, in this formula, integration to theta is equal to pi by 2 sin m into cos m into d theta, m minus 1 into m minus 3 into m minus 5 at the day n minus 1 into n minus 3 into by m plus n into m plus n minus into pi by 2. Again it is in the form of integration to theta is equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos m theta into d theta is equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 into n minus 5 by n minus 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. It is even. Again when there is odd also, n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2, n minus 5 by n minus 4 into 3. It is an odd one. Now again we will take 4a cube into 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2 plus ab cube by 3 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Again we will apply this formula. The structure can be this like. Now a cube b into pi by 16 plus ab cube by 3 into 3 pi by 16. Now 4ab pi by 16 into a square plus b square. Now 4 16 will be cancelled, 4 by 16. Then the answer will be pi ab by 4 into a square plus b square. Okay, thank you.